What year is it?
2020?
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh shit. 2020. You trying to run it, bro?
I'm down.
We might as well, you know? Oh, should we get a little motorcycle action? Uh-oh. Y'all want that motorcycle content or what? Not on this motorcycle, but you know, I'll get a different one. Like that. Bro, it's been a while since I rode a motorcycle. Shit's fun. What's good, guys? You already know what it is already, man. I ain't even gotta say it. You see the whip freshly washed, as you can tell from the suds. We in a little bit of a hurry, man. I'm running late, but you know we gotta get the cold start. It's only right. Giving me the thumbs up over there. Yes sir, but man, just watched the whip, and I ain't gonna lie, the sun's gonna go down pretty soon. My boy's been waiting on me for a little minute, man. 8-hour stream last night on the gaming channel. Shit went crazy. We're doing some Warzone custom lobbies. We had a lot of people in there, man. It was lit. A lot of stream sniping though, a lot of stream sniping, but hey, it is what it is. But I had to wash the car. I had to take care of a couple things this morning, and I think my boy's been there since 3, man. It's already 4:55, but I'm on my way, man. We're gonna do a little photo shoot, get some pictures of the whip right by the beach, man. So he said he has a couple spots over there, and then I have a couple spots in mind as well, just in case. Hopefully we have enough time. Maybe we could get some night shots. I don't know how that works. I'm not, you know, photography savvy. If you guys enjoy, don't forget to like. It helps out tremendously. I appreciate it greatly. Subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the future content. All links are down below in the description for anything you guys might need. $13.91. You see the merch.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Puro truqueando, cut. My boy had the scorpion on the back, bro. I don't know if that's some sort of cartel type sign, so you know, I ain't gonna even look at him, bro. You know, you make the wrong eye contact with the wrong people around this area in Mexico. You already know, man, the cartel, they don't play, man. I ain't about that life. My boy had a scorpion. You never know what that type of shit means, man. You see any sort of like scorpion or, you know, any sort of Aztec type shit, I ain't even gonna risk it. You know what I'm saying? Hey, you can go as slow as you want in the left lane, bro. I ain't gonna look at you. I'm gonna stay 3 car lengths back. You know, I don't want the smoke, bro. I don't want no beef. That dude in the Beamer that we just passed, he rolled up on the side of me all quick. I thought he was gonna talk some shit or something, so I was just like, yo, what's up? And he's just like, and I read his lips, bro. He said, bad. He said, bad, that's bad. He appreciates you, bro. You know what I'm saying? You know, break a couple necks with this. Nothing crazy. But we're about to roll up. I made some pretty good timing. This might be good weather conditions for pictures. I don't know, man. We're about to find out, and I missed my exit, so nice. See my boy with the scat. Yes, sir. Yeah, so, dude came with 2 of his friends. They're hella cool, bro. They're hella cool. Like, he ain't have no sort of attitude because, bro, he's been here literally since like 3 o'clock. So, I mean, what the heck? It's the first time I seen that. They got a little charging station for all the Teslas. Okay. But, I mean, if it was me waiting since 3 o'clock, I might give a little, like, damn, bro, you had me waiting here for almost 2.5 hours, dog. For real? But they were just super cool, man. So, that's what's up. We're going to do some rollers right now. And then he said he found a couple spots as he was waiting for me. So, we'll see what's up, man. My boy over there doing what he got to do, man. You know what I'm saying? All my photographers know. You got to hang out the window, get them shots. See, we're right by the beach. Right by the beach. A couple cars behind us, but it's all good. They'll understand. I ain't gonna lie, I'd be pissed off. All the cars that are behind us, I'd be pretty fucking heated. Look. My boy's car sounds good though. You know what? I gotta get them beach shots. Beautiful area, man. He's getting rollers of me, I'm getting rollers of him, you feel me? Ooh. I don't know if he, I don't remember if he told me he had a scat or not, but my boy shit's clean, bro. I wonder what year it is, bro. You already know how I'm thinking. You know, we've been trying to get that that video in with the newer, you know, standard body Scatpack versus the newer wide body Scatpack. I'm about to ask him what year it is. It looks like a newer one, so if it's a newer one, if it's like 19 or 20, even if it's not, bro, I'm down to get a race in. You guys got a flat or something?
The sensor off the...
Oh,
I don't know.
I should be doing that too.
Yeah?
Yeah, like all the time ever since I got my tires changed. It's just that same one too.
Yeah.
The same one.
Yeah.
Is that the first time it happened to you?
Yeah.
Maybe it was because of my car. Because I got the...
Yeah, probably.
Oh, do you got the... are those dialed dynamics?
I just got them yesterday.
That might be what it is,
Yeah?
bro. That might be what it is.
Really?
That's what people say that it is.
Messing with the electronics. Huh?
Yeah, yeah.
Maybe.
I see you with the scat though, bro. Did you? I can't remember if you told me you had, or is it yours?
No, it's mine.
It's yours? Did you
Yeah.
tell me you had one?
I didn't.
You didn't?
I didn't tell you.
You didn't?
No.
Okay, because I rolled up and I was like, oh shit, okay, I wasn't expecting that. What year is it?
2020?
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh shit. 2020. Have you do you race it or no?
Yeah, I just ran a couple times.
For real?
It's good. Yeah.
You trying to run it, bro?
I'm down.
We might as well, you know? I wasn't expecting, but you know, see you with the carbon stripes. That's right, bro. Hell yeah, that shit's clean. And you got the upgraded wheels too? Hell yeah. What should we do, bro? I'm about to get a little run in, bro. I was telling them too because when we were driving, I was like, hold up. That might be a newer one and I haven't ran a newer one yet. So.
Oh, you haven't?
Nah.
Oh,
You see my boy right here, man. Shout out your IG and all that, bro.
Oh, Diamond Shooters on IG. We photography.
Okay.
Photography, yeah.
But yeah, man, I'll put it up on the screen. You guys go give him a follow, check out his stuff.
Follow us and then let us know if you guys are interested in some of my rollers.
Yes, sir, man. You see it. Rolling in the 2020. Scat Peasy. Sheesh.
1, 2, 3.